Hello everyone, welcome to Ben's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you one veg recipe, MushCorn. And one more thing, for this dish I will make complete dish inside the micro oven. So without wasting the time, let's start the preparation. Before chopping any other vegetables, I will prepare the mushrooms. Prepare in the sense, I will wash this properly and I will boil it. Now I will take out the mushrooms from the water with the help of this filter. Just take out from here, so easy. Now I will keep it for another 5 minutes for getting it cold. Now we have reached to the most important part of our recipe, which is ingredients. Let's see what are the ingredients you need for this recipe. Hundred gram baby corns, 150 gram mushrooms, 100 gram lettuce, 25 grams coriander leaves, 25 gram fennel leaves, 50 grams carrot, 1 piece tomato, 100 grams bell pepper, 100 grams broccoli, 50 grams green beans, and 100 grams kantola. So these all the vegetables we need for this recipes. Now we'll see what are the spices need for these recipes. I have taken 4 pieces dry red chillies. I will roast this without any oil. So I have already made my all this pot hot. Then I'll just roast it in my pot. Two spoon mustard seeds, you can eat more if you like. One spoon cumin seeds, then we'll roast it in high flame. Now you can see this is ready. All the color you can see of the red chilies got changed, and you can see the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds, all color got changed. Now it's become crispy. Now we'll roast the spices powder. This is coriander powder. This is 1 spoon. Red chili powder, 1/4 spoon. turmeric powder half spoon, the spices roasted is completed. Now we'll keep it in a separate pot. Now we'll chop the mushrooms. So all the mushrooms will chopped into 2 pieces. Will not make it very small. If you don't want it to use knife, then by hand also you can do, because this is very soft and very easy. So you can just take out this handle of these mushrooms. Now we'll mix all the spices with mushrooms and baby corn. So all the spices will mixed with mushrooms and baby corns. If you want, you can marinate it for 1 hour, but this is not required as this is a veg dish. But if you want, you can marinate it for 1 hour. Now baby corn. Now we'll mix first salt as per requirement. I am giving it here 1 teaspoon. Then all the spices, very nice fragrances come from the spices. Now ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. One, 2. Now tamarind paste, as per your requirement. I will give 1 tablespoon. If you want more sour, then you can use 2 tablespoons as well, but not more than that. Now mix it well. Now I'll put some olive oil in it. So olive oil will be your 2 tablespoons. You can give 3 also, no problem. If you give 3, it will be more tasty. So these are the vegetables, you can see. So this is a different process of mixing your spices here. So here we will not use any spices, only we'll use here salt and olive oil. That's it. Now we'll keep all these vegetables in some micro-oven proof plates. So first we'll roast it, all the vegetables, then we'll roast the mushrooms and baby corn. So first we'll take it in a micro-oven proof plate, the ceramic plates. Now we'll put it inside the micro-oven. Now we'll close the micro-oven plates. And now the important part, we have to keep it in combi mode, that is combination of microwave and grill. So we'll put it in combination mode. So we'll just press combination mode, then you have to set the watt. I wanted to cook it for, this is the 600 is maximum, 450, then 300, then 600. So I will cook it for 600 only, and I will set the time now. So this is seconds. So I will cook it for 5 minutes. Then we'll press the start button. It started. Now we'll wait for 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes is over. Now we'll take it out. Hot. I can see. Now we'll keep inside this in micro-oven. This will keep it for 10 minutes. This you have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. And we'll put it inside the micro-oven again. Now same combi mode, 600 watt. Then for I give for 15 minutes. Start. Now 15 minutes over. Now I will open this. So now we'll give the finishing touch of my recipe. So first I will pour some butter here. For the remaining vegetables, whatever that we have roasted earlier, above this. Now we'll mix all the roasted spices what we have done earlier in our videos. That is our red chili roast and our mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Now we'll give all over above this recipes and that vegetables. First we'll mix the cumin seeds and the mustard seeds like this. Now we'll get this chili. Before giving pour the chili, we can get the remaining butter. Butter is remaining this much. Now we'll The last final touch, I will keep it inside the microwave for another 5 minutes. So this I will give only normal microwave mode in 600 watts for 4 minutes. Now the food is ready. I can hear the beep. So let's see for the tasty food. Looks amazing. Wow. Now the food is absolutely ready. So if you like my video, if you like my recipe, please subscribe and do like my channel. So thank you for watching this very video. We'll meet very soon. Thank you.